Hi everyone, welcome to use Beaver Habit Tracker. So here is the homepage of this web app and all my habits. For example, the first one is playing table tennis, and you can simply click to mark it as completed or click again to undo it. And you can also click and hold to add a note or description to a specific day. For example, if I failed to play table tennis training yesterday, so I can skip and mark it as not completed. Then you can go to the detail page of this habit. For example, here is the calendar. You can navigate for months and each year. And you can also review your progress for the last 3 months or even over the past whole year. And if you click the title of this panel, you will be redirected to a secret page. Yeah, here is the fantastic streaks of my table tennis activities in the history. So as you can see, I started my training in the middle of last year, 2024. Some of you may notice that on the top right corner, you can open the menu, so you can export or import that anytime you want. You can also add a new habit in this edit page. For example, if I want to eat breakfast every morning and press enter, a new habit will be added. And you can also style it to put it on the top of your screen. Or if you don't need it anymore, you just archive it. So that's all. I hope you can enjoy this web app, and please feel free to raise an issue in our GitHub homepage. Thank you. Have a nice day.